Hi editors and plugin creators. Today I will show you this plugin. After you buy that plugin, then after you will see like in a zip file, unzip it from here. Then after open this file, then after open this readme file, then you can read from here features, and this is only for Windows user. First we should to copy this path, then after press Windows plus R, then after paste it here. Okay, then open this scripts folder, then after open this utility folder, and again go to the previous folder and copy this file and paste it here. Okay, now to run plugin, then you will see like this. You can increase this UI and decrease in your style. I will decrease it. Then after I will place this text 1 underscore 1. Then after I need one expression in here. Then I will right click. Then after I will press expression. Then again we should press refresh. Then we will see like styled text. Then I will write like T E. Then after you will see here text 1 underscore 1 underscore 1. Yeah, here is also text 1 underscore 1 underscore 1. This is a suggestion. No suggestions here you can see also. Then I will press this, then automatically select. Okay, then if I need like I want to connect this text name, then just we should to go in a website. You can see fusion expression reference. Then if I need like where like this in text, then just we should to go in this folder in here, then open, then after open this support folder, then open this first folder, then enter, paste it here. Okay, and save it. Don't forget to save. Okay, I will close this plugin. Then after I reopen it, I'll press this text 1 underscore 1. Then after refresh, you will see like before here. Then after I write like no, then here is a suggestion. Then just we should to press, and then after again we should write T E. You will see like text 1 underscore 1 underscore 1. Just we should press this, then that's it. Now see here, see here. Please you should to write so many expression from here. Okay, in your like I copy this and paste, and again I should to copy this, and then after paste, again I should to copy this, then after paste, copy, paste, then after we should to save it, then after again we should to run plugin. I will open this file. Here you can see like comp.render start, then If I write C, then here suggestion, here you can see suggestion like this. We should to copy this all expression, and then after we should to paste all expression in here. Okay, and here you will see font size. You can increase, decrease, and reset it. And then after, here is a guide. This guide is from Rev. Thanks to Rev, here you will see so many expression. Okay, and here you will see insert selected node. This means if I press like any node, if I need like background one, then we should to press background one, then after press insert node, then see here automatically inserting. You can also write like BA, then here you will see background one, background two. If you have bunch of background node, then you will see so many thing. Yeah, that's why I added insert selected node. Example, I have so many node of background, and when I write BA, then you will see like background 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I need like 5, then we can't see in here. That's why we should to press like background 5, then place it. Okay, that's it. For example, I want to add this expression node name style text dot value, and I will rename to this. But I always write same thing and same thing. Just we should to save expression, and we can write name like text style, style, then save it. Then you will see in here saved expressions. Here is a text style. Okay, then if I don't have anything, then we should to press insert button, then you can see here. If I have so many expression and I just want to add in middle, then go to the middle, then after insert it, see here. And you can also write like this sometimes time, and you will write like bracket automatically added close bracket. Then again you can write anything. I just want to write for now time. Then after I write like /3, but you are seeing like in one line. If you need in different line, you can also make like that. Okay, I can remove this, and I press again bracket. Then after go to the middle of bracket. Then after enter it, see again automatically going in a middle of bracket like a VS Code. Yeah. Then after we can write like time again, same thing like before. That's it, man. And this will work also in a modifier. If I have like modifier in here, and I right click in modifier size expression, then see here env curve size, because we are in a size, that's why. Like that we can write here, then refresh it, see here offset and size. Here is a offset and size, and so many things you can add like minus line. Then after I write anything like this is a comment. Okay, this will not shows in here. When you write double minus that time, we can't see in here when I write time, then after time write, okay, minus time, okay. When I close, then after reopen it, when I write time, see here, not showing that's minus time. You can comment it, okay. And here is a live mode and auto suggestion. If you turn off suggestion, then after when I write ti, see here no suggestion. If I write like ellipse in here, like el el, then here no suggestion. If I turn on, then automatically showing node from this graph, okay. And if you want to delete this text style, then press delete. Then after you see so many expressions, okay, just we to press one expression, then after delete and cancel, you will see like no saved expressions. And live mode, when I turn off live mode, say we can't say anything. When I turn off this, then after you can see anything. Say when I turn on, and when I press one letter, say thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more video.